anyway.
Han, can you put
Sitting there
it away? I do.
Han is far enough away.
I know.
Me cleaning, guys. My husband is interrupting. Like he's so worried. Like, don't use this car.
Hello guys, ang inyong kumare is naboryo guys. Kahit hindi okay ang katawan, masakit yung arm. Anyway, maglilinis po tayo ng sasakyan ni Mr. yung itim. Kasi guys, ako na yung magagamit sa sasakyan na ito. At saka meron akong nakitang jacket, isablay natin. So, hindi man masablay. Oy. So, ito na nga siya, no? Iyon yung sasakyan niya. Sa likuran, sa trunk, okay pa siya. Wala pa masyadong, walang gamit kasi nilinis na konti. Sige na guys, maglinis na po tayo, no? Samahan niyo ako sa pag-pick up ng mga basura. Dito, nag-start na akong nagtatanong ano itong nakikita ko dito, guys. Mga binibili na hindi ginagamit. So, ngayon, question ko na lahat.
For what? For what? Copper. Compound is used for high polish finish and copper brush stainless steel. Tingnan niyo ito kasama ko. Ang dami mga binibili. What is this? Never used. It's like you get from Harbor Freight but you never use. This one here. Look, what is that?
Discs, cutting discs.
Disc. And what is this? What is this?
There's a hanger for the wall.
For the thing, right?
The bicycles.
No, you got this for that thing.
I got one for the hose.
No, it's not for the hose. It's for to put the thing in the car, the ramp. You get this for the ramp.
It's not for the ramps.
You
That has no weight. That can't hold crazy weight.
I'm gonna clean this car because this car is mine now. Who got it every time? Like I have cars 5 times. Is this working wire?
As far as I know, it is.
I'm gonna keep it here, okay?
That's not an iPhone wire.
Oh, okay, then I put everything here. What do you need? This is all your shit, huh?
I know that.
Everything, even that car is mine, and now it's like not my thing. This one is really for the back. It's not below here. Where are you going? Put this over there. Maybe you can help. It can help you.
Squeeze my insides.
Oh, okay. Well, give it to me. Don't put it everywhere.
Cigarettes out.
Oh, don't put cigarettes here. It is not yours.
That's the point.
Go, it's done. I'm just gonna clean up here. Oh, this one I'm gonna put this in the.
The other side is that.
Huh?
The other side has it too.
No, I'm good. I am good. Huh?
Bag is not gonna hold all the weight.
No, this one I'm not gonna put it here. This one is gonna be in the.
Go in the bag. That's going in the bag.
What is that? Battery?
Yeah.
Your brush is going to the what? Stay here, right?
This goes in the bag.
You go inside now. This is me cleaning, guys. My husband is interrupting. Like he's so worried. Like, don't use this car, Mike. You don't have nothing.
Yeah. Goes in the bag.
Yeah. Okay, you go. Bye. Put it in that thing. Kaloka. That's all.
Ay, buhay. Ganito talaga guys. Kapag mag-start ako, andun si Tami darating para tignan kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko. Ito pala yung gamit ko guys sa leather, no? Yun yung ating spray para maayos yung leather para hindi masira. And then, pagtingin ko sa ilalim ng upuan guys, andun pa yung mga pagkain ng pusa. Every time na mag-grocery, napunta pala doon sa ilalim, no? So, ang dumi ng floor. So, ngayon, ang inuna ko muna is yung ating leather para, leather care po ito, no? Care daw ito, hindi cleaner. Iwan ko na lang. But anyway, so yun yung ginagawa ko. At saka, nagkuha din ako. Buti na lang meron ako nakita ditong cloth na pang wipe sa mga hindi leather na lugar. Yung mga plastic, gano'n yung, alam na, hindi naman lahat leather dito, no? Plastic naman halos yung mga sasakyan. So yun yung ginamit ko pang linis. With may tubig yan, basa yan kasi para mawala talaga yung mga sticky-sticky dyan, no? Alam nyo naman, itong sasakyan guys, kay Tami talaga to. Ito talaga yung gamit niya, talagang robo-robo talaga sa lahat ng trabaho niya, state to state. Kung asan siya magpunta sa trabaho, itong gamit niya. So, perting dumiha, perting hugawa, no? So, kailangan dyan siya kuskus balungos yung kudire. Pero yun, pagkatapos kong naglinis ng leather guys, ang ginawa ko is, nag-start na naman ako nag-vacuum, no? Ang hirap kaya maglinis ng sasakyan ng ilang taon nang hindi nalinis sa loob, no? Ang daming dumi sa floor. So, kailangan talaga siyang i-vacuum, dahan-dahanin para talagang malinis siya.
So, ngayon, dito, madumi, di ba? So, wish me luck. So, ito na siya, itim, no? So, hindi ko talaga ito malilinis na sobra. Pero, itry natin kasi look, yung kaibahan dito at dito. Yes, ang dumi po ng sasakyan na ito. Kasi talagang ito yung ni Tami eh. yung sasakyan talaga niya na ano. Plus ang dami, plus extra pa doon na salt. Look, ang dumi. Ganyan yan guys kapag smoker, no? Ang nicotine ba, oh? Pero hindi ko na talaga maano yung asawa ko, no? Hindi na yan magbabago guys kasi kahit yung inabuhay pa, palagi yan pinagsabihan. Hindi, wala eh. So, ang aking gagawin is at least mawala yung itim, no? Hindi man malinis, pero mawala yung ano. Kasi hindi ko talaga yan kaya. Yan. Magkaano kaya palinis nito? Magkaano kaya? Kasi gusto ko talagang maging malinis ito eh. Ganito, ito yung man yan dito. Kumpara mo.
Hindi kinaya guys, hindi ko na nilinis yung sa ibabaw. But anyway, ito na siya, no? Wala na yung dust, okay na. Okay na, old car na kasi din ito. Pero okay na, malinis na. Pwede na tayong maghakot ng kaibigan. Charot, walang kaibigan.
Here we are, guys. My wife.
Han, can you put
Sitting there.
it away? I do.
Han is far enough away.
I know. I like it when it's really, really far.
She's getting irritated with everybody on the road because she's like, she gets aggravated when people don't drive as good as she drives.
Hi, Han. Sunday drivers. There's a lot of drivers in front. Sunday only drive.
So somebody was in there and just stop in the middle of the left lane, just stop, and she get all aggravated. But it says on the back of the car,
I don't see it.
student driver, yeah, be patient.
Is it what it is?
Yes, it said that right on the car. But anyway, so we are here.
What are
We're
you doing
doing
here?
an Amazon return
Why?
because my wife didn't like the gifts. She said they were crap gifts and she don't really want them.
It's not about the crap
She
gift,
said they-
guys. He
See,
buys-
she just said it was crap
It's
gifts.
not
I see that?
about
She just
that.
said that. You heard it, guys. It was
It's
crap.
not that. It's about spending. Okay. Your
So-
phone.
So here we are, and we are gonna. Now she's taking the phone. And we're gonna go and
Wait.
return this stuff
Where is it?
on the back seat.
The back seat. Sana mag-return daw siya ng kanyang ano, oh. Go do your return. How many this month? How many this year? It's just started this year. How many? Yeah, you should stop ordering. So, return na daw siya. Sa calls man return, no? Ngayon, maulan-ulan pa yung panahon ngayon. Look, dito tayo.
Just to leave this way. I know they don't get returned.
Huh? That you just want to spend money to prove that you don't need to return it. Seriously. Oh, they have guys stuff, hon. Oh, nice color, love. I like that, oh. Han, I like that. Burgundy, Han. Susundan natin si Mister o mag-return na siya. May nagnakaw. Oh, I like this.
Yep.
And look, the zipper, honey. It's all the way. You want me to get it for you?
No.
Hey, shopping. Sir, Sir Tommy.
Don't want it.
Ayaw niya, guys. I'll get you something. This is very thin.
This is cotton. It feels like. Maybe in Bangladesh.
Okay.
Don't say. I don't like these.
Oh, no, you
How
don't like
narrow
that.
the legs are.
You don't like
Wow,
that.
I went over it.
You don't like that. Knowing you. Oh, they have a lot of pajama here. Look, I like this one. Yeah. So you're done. What they give you? Show me. Tag.
If there's any question that you returned it.
Oh, okay. This one, oh, nice. Oh, $50. My goodness. 30% off. No. No. Oh, no. I like the one that is over there. I'll get it for you, eh. I will come back here. I'll get it for you.
Why? I don't wear it.
They have 30% off.
Then you would piss off that I don't wear it. Who cares how much off it is if you don't have to wear it?
Yes, you will. It's hard. It's hard. You're done, sir. Your turn, so we're going to PetSmart. Talk.
What are you doing exactly?
Appointment for Roxy. I want Roxy to have a nice talk, honey.
Well, what day you make an appointment for?
Huh?
You don't even know when you can get an appointment for.
Haircut.
For what day?